The Shiba Inu coin by Gareth Soloway. If the stock market were to undergo a major sell-off, Soloway said in an interview, Bitcoin could fall to $15,000. In an interview, Hishard expressed his fear that Bitcoin's price could drop to $15,000 in the event of a major downturn in the stock market. According to Soloway, the so-called smart money is causing possible market shifts, as shown by the recent moves in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. He made the observation that investors hoping to foresee and profit from these swings may find the GBTC discount appealing. Given that Bitcoin's price has been hovering around $42,000 as of late, the prospect of a decline to $15,000 is significant. Given the widespread adoption of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies by businesses and financial institutions, a precipitous decline in their value could have far-reaching effects on the economy as a whole, not to mention on individual investors' portfolios. But there is some good news, says Soloway. He may be wary of the near term, but he has faith in Bitcoin's potential for the future. He is so confident in Bitcoin's long-term worth and recovery potential that he has even stated his intention to purchase more of the cryptocurrency if its price keeps falling. Even while Soloway is worried about possible stock market crashes, he is optimistic about Bitcoin's long-term potential. If Bitcoin's price can stay above $30,000, he says, it may be an indication of an upcoming bullish market, suggesting that he is prepared to boost his Bitcoin holdings when the chance presents itself. Having said that, there is a lot of mystery around the future of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Positive attitude has typically been boosted by events like the Bitcoin halving, but it's important to be cautious. Although these times may indicate future expansion, traders should proceed with caution and a focus on mitigating risk when navigating the market. In a market as volatile as this one, we can never say anything with absolute certainty. However, for the time being, let's investigate the reasons why this bleak truth may not hold true for Shiba Inu as well. There has been a wild swing in the price of SHIB recently. The price fell after hitting a peak in early 2024, falling 40% from its all-time high on March 5, 2024. Despite the downturn, key market indicators have exhibited promising trends that may entice new investors to give SHIB a second look. An indication of a $230 million shortage in the market is the fact that holders are putting a large quantity of SHIB into long-term storage. This change could have a favorable effect on SHIB stock because it indicates that investors are becoming more confident in the company's long-term potential. The analysts have been keeping a careful eye on these developments in order to predict how much SHIB will be worth in the future. Various factors, including the growth of Shibarium, influence the predictions for the years 2024 to 2030, which offer a range of eventualities. An approach to LAYER2 that focuses on improving scalability and decreasing transaction costs. The Fear and Greed Index, which measures market emotion, has a score of 81, suggesting high greed. Technical indicators point to a positive future for the price of SHIB, lending credence to this opinion. Some analysts are projecting a return on investment of more than 33% based on current pricing for SHIB, although these projections differ. Historical price movements and market characteristics, such as the impact of Bitcoin cycles on the cryptocurrency market as a whole, form the basis of these estimates. Both Shiba Inu and its governance token, BONE, have been in the news recently, with the former seeing a 26% price surge and the latter garnering analysts' attention. The analysts have predicted an even more spectacular jump for BONE, with a target price of $3 based on this greater spike, which signals a wider trend. The increasing enthusiasm among Shiba Inu owners, particularly for the Shibarium LAYER2 protocol, is the driving force behind BONE's rise to prominence. The fact that Shibarium has completed more than 105 million transactions shows that the network is strong and actively used. The SRC20 minting activities are a major cause of the recent spike in transactions, which has led to a significant increase in transaction fees, which are presently above 1.4 million BONE. Expectations of numerous SHIB burns only serve to heighten the excitement. In addition to decreasing the supply, these burns will increase the project's worth in the long run. A recent SHIB burn event destroyed tokens valued over $70,000, and there will be more events like this in the future. These developments indicate a strong community-driven momentum behind BONE, therefore analysts are actively monitoring them. In response to the positive news and actions inside the Shiba Inu ecosystem, the token's price surged from $0.915 to a daily high of $1,097, demonstrating the market's reaction. The Shibarium protocol, SHIB burning, and other strategic measures in the Shiba Inu ecosystem are making headlines. The future of BONE appears bright with a well-defined strategy and an enthusiastic community. Since Shiba Inu's trade volumes have now surpassed Dogecoin's, analysts believe it could have substantial upside potential. Another development is that Shiba Inu is currently trending on Google. Many people are asking queries on Google, such as why the Shiba Inu is becoming so popular. Is a Shiba Inu's height increasing? In the past 30 days, Shiba Inu has been most searched for in the following countries: the Netherlands, Slovenia, Pakistan, USA, Canada, Switzerland, Austria, Belgium, Nigeria, and the UAE. This international attention shows that the meme coin phenomena has captivated people all around the world. The destruction of millions of SHIB tokens is one tactic that might be impacting the Shiba Inu's popularity, as well as its thriving habitat. The Shiba Inu ecosystem's blockchain network, Shibarium, is about to become one of the 5 busiest networks in the world. It appears that Shibarium's strategic planning and technology innovation have been fruitful, particularly with the debut of the Shibarium RPC node. A major step toward the project's increased activity and popularity was the September launch of the Shibarium RPC full node. As an additional layer on top of the Ethereum blockchain, Shibarium uses the SHIB ecosystem tokens SHIB, Leash, and Bone to solve typical blockchain problems, such as facilitating cheaper, faster, and more concurrent transactions. Because of this, Shibarium is well suited to enhancing Metaverse Web3 developments and gaming experiences. The network's architecture prioritizes the support of low transaction cost financial services and gambling. The demand for and value of its native tokens could increase if they are used in blockchain-based applications. Furthermore, Shibarium aspires to be a prominent participant in decentralized finance, as evidenced by its focus on the metaverse, gaming, and the possibilities of DeFi settlements. Token holders will soon be able to fund initiatives on Shibarium thanks to the upcoming launch of DAO, a governance framework. Roughly 21 million wallets were created during the network's testing period alone, suggesting a great deal of enthusiasm and engagement, which should last beyond its formal debut. Creating Shibarium into a major blockchain project is obviously a top priority for the Shiba Inu team. With its launch and subsequent user and developer interest, Shibarium is well positioned to become a formidable competitor in the blockchain industry. There is optimistic talk regarding the possibility of a price increase for the SHIB token. To make SHIB transactions more efficient and scalable, the team behind Shibarium plays an important part in this. Regular transactions and larger institutional users could be attracted to SHIB if transaction fees were to be reduced. Retailers and online platforms are also warming up to SHIB, which means it has more potential uses than just speculation in the stock market. Participation in NFTs and humanitarian activities by the Shiba Inu community also contributes to the token's continued importance. The thrilling new information about the SHIB metaverse just adds to the general upbeat mood. The Shiba Inu team is clearly making great progress towards realizing their audacious goal of the SHIB metaverse, as they have recently revealed some exciting news on the project. In an effort to live up to the lofty standards held by the Shiba Inu community, they have set the stage for an incredibly engaging encounter. To guarantee the project's success, a committed team has been put together along with knowledgeable metaverse consultants. A member of this group is AA Studio. The third floor, together with famous people like David Kern, Marcy Gistro, and Sherry Kiono. This project would not have been possible without the developers and lead team, which includes Penny, Kal Daria, and Shitoshi Kusama. The SHIB metaverse relies on community input. The team is making it a point to listen carefully to the community's feedback by maintaining an open channel of contact. In fact, they have formed a dedicated group whose sole purpose is to relay community feedback to the advisors and programmers. The community is absolutely giddy with anticipation for the upcoming updates and the opportunity to have a hand in molding this virtual world. The Shiba Inu team's commitment to innovation and their focus on their community is evident in the success they have made thus far. Investors and users from all around the globe are showing interest in the ecosystem as it expands its practical usage beyond trading. With the help of a passionate community and a committed team, the Shiba Inu project is poised to revolutionize blockchain technology and the cryptocurrency industry.